Happy birthday.
In movies,
Pakuha natin yung ibon at pag-iparin nila. Marunong ka!
in love themes I did.
Spencer! Spencer!
Bata pa lang, nasa harap na ako ng camera.
Huwag ka nang umiyak! Para maging masaya ka kapag nakakita sa abujikin.
As a teenager, the questions and the confusion got stronger. Bata pa lang alam ko na I was different. And in the 90s, being different wasn't easy. I was afraid to show the real me, afraid of letting you down, of not living up to who you thought I should be. Lagi kong tanong, mamahal niyo pa rin ba ako? O makita niyo ang totoong ako?
Oo.
I'm not meant to play this part. Now I see that if I were truly to be myself, I would break my family apart. It was very hard during that time. Kasi, pa ako nakakapag-come out nun. Mga magulang ko, nahuli nga ako ng tatay ko, hindi kasi sa kaka. Kaya nalaman niya. And, ang initial reaction ko nun, hindi ko fuck. I said I was gonna give it up. Because I never wanted to disappoint my parents. Pero ang hindi magtatanto sa utak ko nun, kung mali itong ginagawa ko, bakit? Nagmamahal lang naman ako eh. Hindi naman ako nanloloko. Minamahal ko yung taong kasama ko. At the same time, ano yung takot? Kasi alam ko that I'm working in an industry that someone like me, hindi welcome. It was taboo. may naamoy lang ng konti, nasa dyaryo ka na. And hindi ko ma-imagine kung paano ko siya lalampasan nun. Kasi hindi pwede mawala yung trabaho ko eh. Kasi sa akin, umaasa ang family ko. I was the breadwinner. My dad was working, but I was basically taking care of pretty much everything else. And it was hard because ito yung time na, hindi ko alam kung familiar kayo sa term na awkward stage. Ito yung, gaya sinabi ko kanina, kapag hindi ka na cute, wala kang career, nangyari yun sa akin. Yes, I still had Big Bulaga. I still had Okay Perico. Thank God. But other than that, wala akong mga pelikula. Sinubukan akong mag-love team, nakita niyo naman.
Yee!
Kahit ako, hanggang ngayon, kinikilabutan. Hindi ko nga alam paano nagkaroon ng housing love team na yun eh. Honestly, ano yung isip mo guys? Diba? But yeah. So, but ito yung time then that I discovered singing. I thought I just enjoyed listening to music. But found out na, hey, I really enjoy singing alone. Pero walang gustong kumuha sa akin. I remember my mom, inilalako niya ako sa, hindi naman sa palengke, no? Inilalako niya ako sa iba't ibang mga songwriters. Pero tinatanggal lang. And umabot sa point na naiinis na ako sa nanay ko. Kasi, ba't bang kulit mo, mama? Hindi nga ako nakikitang singer eh. Alam mo yun? Bakit natin ipipilit? Push ng nanay ko. Hanggang sa sinali niya ako sa isang show band at tumutugtog kami sa Aurora Boulevard.